And the box is a little beat up. I didn't want to let that get in the way of a good deal. So let's see what it looks like inside. Let's open this sucker up. Just open the top and don't see anything major going on. A little bit of broken foam, but everything seems to be wrapped and in place. Let's continue peeling this onion. First item out, and in case anybody is ever wondering, as I always did, about the stand that can be purchased, this is right out of the packaging, and virtually it comes ready to stand. This is the stand on the floor at its lowest setting. I haven't tried to adjust it yet, unnecessary. I just wanted to walk around and let everybody see the leg release pins. You pull them out, fold the legs in, that's it. No hardware to mess with or anything. Bring you back to my peeling onion. This is the next level after I got through the top section. You can see the cardboard's in good shape. Everything appears to be intact. Let's get it out of its plastic. Okay, we're out of the box. I got the plastic off. Let's go ahead and unveil it and see what we're dealing with inside. Alright. A box of parts. I bet this is going to be the front handle and feet, and more than likely the regulator perhaps. Let's check it out. Never have enough foam blocks for protection. It's good to see they're all there though. There we go, we got the handle. We got the feet as predicted, and as you can see, the feet just socket right into these holes. So if you have the 17 or the 22, I believe that rack will work, and yay me, I do have them both. The 17 is my camping one, and I swore I'd have one for home, so here we go. What I just took out is the side tray. Let's see how much effort it takes to put this on. Okay, the side tray is done. Thanks to everything being pre-assembled and tight already. Look at that. Even my dog Max likes it. And now we're down inside where we find our adapter for a full bottle. Wow, that's awesome. We also have our standard regulator and hookup, just like for the small bottle, like the 17 is. So this, I believe, is going to be my drip pan. Anyway, in a nutshell, having that piece right there is amazing. To have the adapter for the full-size bottle just makes this home unit good to go. I'm pleased. This is my $89 Walmart 22 Blackstone with stand, with lid. And manual full-size propane tank adapter, as well as the small tank regulator. Walmart's. It was shared by somebody on a network page, and I went over and got one of the 5 left. Very nice. 20-minute setup. Everything out of the box is pretty much assembled except for the rubber feet and the handle.